I wanted to find out something that sounds almost too good to be true. Can an AI tool actually help you get more clicks, or does it just make prettier thumbnails? Because if you're running a YouTube channel, getting more clicks is the whole game. You can make an amazing video, but if nobody clicks on it, none of that matters. So I tested Pikzels with one thing in mind. Can it actually help create thumbnails that make people stop scrolling? The first thing I noticed is that Pikzels isn't just another image generator where you type a prompt and hope for the best. It's built around the thumbnail itself. And that makes a huge difference because a YouTube thumbnail isn't supposed to be beautiful. It's supposed to make someone curious enough to click. Cue. That's also where I think a lot of creators get thumbnails wrong. They try to put everything into one image, the title, the product, 5 different objects, a huge face, arrows, screenshots, and then wonder why nobody notices it. On a phone, all of that turns into visual noise. Pikzels takes a more focused approach, which is much closer to how I'd actually think about making a thumbnail. And if you're a creator who isn't great at Photoshop, that's probably where the tool becomes most useful. You can start with an idea, experiment with different concept, change the visual direction, and get something that feels much closer to a finished YouTube thumbnail without spending an hour moving layers around. But here's the part I don't want to overhype. Pikzels can't guarantee clicks, no AI can. A thumbnail can look incredible and still get ignored if the title doesn't create curiosity. Or maybe the thumbnail is great, but it promises something the video doesn't deliver. That's where creators get into trouble. You aren't really optimizing an image, you're optimizing the reason someone decides to click. So I wouldn't use Pikzels and expect it to magically fix a channel with low CTR. I'd use it as a testing tool. Make several thumbnail ideas, look at them at the size viewers will actually see them, and ask yourself, if I saw this while scrolling, would I understand the idea instantly, and would I want to know what happens? That's the real test. For me, Pikzels makes the most sense if thumbnails are slowing you down or you don't have strong design skills. It can help you get from idea to thumbnail concept much faster, but whether those thumbnails actually get more clicks, that's something your audience still gets to decide. So now I'm curious, what's the biggest problem with your thumbnails right now? Design, ideas, CTR, or just not having enough time to make them? Comment below and tell me what you're struggling with. I want to know whether creators need better thumbnail tools or better thumbnail ideas.